welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm so excited to say this, but I am back in America just for a little bit, for a few days, a very short little trip. There is so much PR here that I've been sent over the last 8 months that I haven't been here. Thankfully, Momager has been sending me pictures of everything, so I've been able to upload it, but I haven't been able to try it all. So on my TikTok, I've been doing full face of new makeup products, testing out and reviewing and playing with all of this makeup that I got in PR, and to find all of the fun new products in a very saturated market. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun playing with makeup. It's my happy place, so it's just been, I felt like a kid in a candy shop. Like, I'm just so excited. I feel like this is a good place to start the vlog. We still have a few more days here. I'm loving my time in Europe, but I've also really missed America and missed being with my family and my dog. You guys, Aspen came and laid with me last night, and I was like, oh, I literally wish I could kidnap her and bring her in my suitcase to Europe and just have her with me all the time. But anyway, it's the end of the night and I am exhausted. I'm a bit jet lagged, but I've honestly done a really good job at pushing through. I've gone to bed at like 11 every night and waking up at like 7 a.m. So I've survived. I'm at a state of delusion right now. I'm worried when I fly back. The exhaustion's, that's when it's gonna hit me. But as of right now, I'm okay. But we have a fun few days while we're still here ahead of us, and I have a few things that I want to do, a few things that I miss so much about America that I'm making sure to do while I'm here, and I have a few things that I want to get that are American only that I want to bring back with me. So I'm bringing you guys along with me for it all. Welcome to my back home in America vlog. In here to share with you guys the collaboration for this week's vlog. I am so excited for us to join the soiree and celebrate Lounge's 9th birthday. That's 9 years of empowering women through lingerie. Lounge was kind enough to send me 4 intimate sets, and you guys are going to be obsessed with them. Trust me, they're beautiful. I'm going to take you through them, show you all of the detailing in them, because the design and the details honestly speak for themselves. They're stunning. First up, we have the sheer floral bodysuit in white, and this one is literally a dream. It's delicate, it's romantic, it has these beautiful pink floral embroideries. The first time I put this on, I felt so confident in it, and the fit just hugs you in all of the right places. Honestly, just elevates the vibe. You can even wear this if you're just lounging at home. And the back is so sexy, you guys. It has these really cute bows and these perfect detailing with a high waist that hugs perfectly around your hips. I also just have a vision with this piece with summer coming up, with like a cute white lace bra, maybe some cute jeans or flowy pants, even maybe like a cute jean mini skirt. And this was one of the first pieces that I gravitated towards as well. I just feel like it's so fresh and dreamy, and it reminds me of being in like a summer room. That's just kind of what this reminds me of, like a perfect summer day. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces, you guys. The next one is the sheer floral balcony set in blue, and this color is literally everything. It's that perfect balance of dainty but sexy. It's a balconette style bra, so it'll give you that perfect lift while still being really breathable. So that means it's very sexy but also very wearable. And honestly, this is one of those sets that I just find myself reaching for again and again. And it's also so perfect for spring. I mean, look at the flowers, look at the detailing. It screams summer and spring. And I do have a vision for it for the summertime. I think it would look so good with a really cute summer dress, or even just a flowy summer top where you can have a little bit of it peeking through. I feel like with a piece like this, it's so beautiful that you almost want to tease it a little bit. And then we have the matching bottoms as well, with a super cute back. And one of my favorite things about these lounge pieces is just the attention to detail. As you can see, everything just has these cute little bows on it. Here it is too, right in the center. They just have these cute little perfect bows, and it's just those little pieces of detail that really makes the quality stand out. Okay, so the first 2 pieces that I've shown you were very sexy, very lingerie style, but I wanted to dip into the comfort aspect of lounge a little bit as well. So this is the Barely There plunge set in mauve. It also comes with bottoms, but I am currently wearing the bottoms because they are that good, okay? They're so comfortable. The fabric literally feels like butter on your skin. I really wanted to bring that chill aspect into it. You know, the lace is very sexy, but you don't always want to wear lace. So think minimal, sleek, and it really is barely there. The fabric is so soft. It feels so silky and like butter. I'm sure you can kind of tell even just looking at it how soft the fabric is going to feel. Lounge really does have something for everyone because you can go from wearing these really stunning, beautiful, sexy lace pieces to also having comfortable, sleek pieces that you can wear in your everyday life. And the final one is a statement piece, okay? She's a showstopper. Finally, we have the blush embroidered balcony set in hot pink. The embroidery on this one is next level, and the bold hot pink really adds a playful pop of color. This one is definitely for when you want to feel bold, confident, and a little bit extra, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's be honest, it's 2025. Lingerie does not have to stay in the bedroom anymore. I'm actually wearing the hot pink balcony set embroidered top, and I styled it with my outfit today. I actually styled it with a loose button-down linen top, and I thought it was really fun because if you want to, you can button it up a bit higher and just kind of let the color pop through, or you can put it down a little bit and show off some of that embroidery. It's really up to you. But I thought it was a really fun way of just being playful with the lingerie, but still keeping it very classy and elegant if you wanted to wear it out. Because lingerie doesn't just have to be for if you have a special someone. Lingerie really is for you, and you can find ways to wear it in your everyday life. And what I really love about Lounge is that they've just found the perfect balance between sexy and comfortable, and every piece is designed to make you feel good, whether you're wearing it for yourself or someone special. If you're unsure about sizing, Lounge has made it so easy to find your perfect fit. The sizing chart is super user-friendly, and it's clearly labeled on the website as well, so you definitely can feel confident about choosing the right set for your body. And Lounge does a great job at celebrating all body types. They offer a great range in sizing, and honestly, all of the sets look beautiful on every body type, and everyone deserves to feel sexy and confident in their own skin. And of course, if you guys want to join the soiree and celebrate Lounge's 9th birthday, you guys can check the link in my description to join the party. It is the perfect time to treat yourself, explore new styles, indulge in a little bit of self-love and retail therapy. Happy birthday, Lounge, and thank you for continuing to celebrate women and all of their beauty. And don't forget, if you want to shop the collection, I've dropped my personal Lounge birthday link in the description box below, so it's super easy to shop. Happy birthday, Lounge, and let's continue on with the rest of this week's vlog. I just finished getting ready. I just did some makeup. I literally got to play with my new makeup, so I'm like excited to get ready every day. But I'm just wearing a super cute jean set, and I'm about to go have a super fun day today. Let's go, come with me. It feels so good to be back, honestly. I feel so rejuvenated here. I feel like myself again. Just wanted to give you guys a little like OOTD for the outfit today. I'm wearing these jeans that were sent to me. They're super cute. I love them. And then I'm just wearing my big jacket, a linen button up, and then my Lounge red lace bra underneath. My little OOTD for the day. Hello, I have returned and I am so jet lagged. Anyway, I had a busy day today and I have a lot of editing to get done and I am exhausted, and I also have a big day tomorrow because tomorrow is my last full day here. This trip has gone by honestly so fast. I am not prepared to get on another 10-hour flight back, and then to make it even worse, after I land I have to work a full 8-hour shift. Yeah, we're gonna be living on coffee. I'm hoping I can try to convince myself to sleep on the plane because I'll technically be flying in the middle of the night Holland time, but I've been sleeping on American time since I've been here. I do feel like jet lagged and stuff like that, but I'm hoping I didn't screw up too much and then I can sleep on the plane and then maybe it'll reset my time. I don't know. It's gonna be a long day. On Sunday to Monday is gonna be a long day. I'm grateful to have a long day, because what an amazing time to have been able to come home for 6 days and get to be with my family. You guys know me, I'm a family girl, so it's been super, super nice to be back. I also just like miss my room so much. Like, I love my room here. I don't know why, it's just so calming. Anyway, I'm going to take my makeup off and get ready for bed, because I am going to edit for a while tonight and then probably wake up and edit some more and then go to brunch. Good night, and I'll see you in the morning. This camera will forever catch me out, okay? I just accidentally, if I tap the screen, it takes a picture, and I was trying to set it up, so I'm like, it literally snapped the photo of me. Caught me out. Anyway, I just finished grabbing brunch with some family. It was so good to see them again. I honestly, 8 months being away from my family was such a long time. I'm such a family girl, so I feel so good being able to come back and see my family and just kind of reconnect. It like rejuvenates me, honestly. It's so good to be back. And honestly, this trip has been going by so quick. I'm like, how? It feels like I've been here for 3 days. How has it already been 6? Like, I literally fly out tomorrow. I want like another week. It's always like right when you start to get settled. It's like when you have to go back. Also, driving, you guys, in my car. I've reunited with Blake, okay? Blake has so been missed, but I feel so good reuniting with my car and being able to blast music in my car. Okay, all of the songs that I found while I was in Europe and I haven't been able to listen to, blasting it in the car, I've been able to listen to, and I literally will take like the long way everywhere. When I first got in the car, I just had to do like a really quick errand, and I was like, I could take a 3-hour drive and it would be literally no issue at all. It felt so good to be in my car and to just blast music and sing out loud, and I miss it so much. Anyway, I have a few things that I want to pick up that they don't have in the EU that I want to bring back with me. Teeth whitening strips, little candies, just like little American things. And I also haven't been in 8 months, so I want to see what's up. I want to see what the tea is. I just want to have my little me time. I don't think I'm gonna get really much. I'm just gonna get the few things that I wanted to bring back, but I wanted to bring you guys with me. I just feel so rejuvenated. I really needed this trip back at home. I think it's so much to move to another country, and it can feel kind of lonely sometimes. I'm a big family girl, and so being able to be back and like in person with my family and get to see my family has really, really meant so much to me. And now I feel rejuvenated and I'm excited to go back, and I love being there. Don't get me wrong. I love being there, and I think it's such a fun experience, and I'm very grateful and blessed to have 2 places that I love being at so much. So let's go into Target and shop around. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just having the best time. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is actually crazy to me coming back, like, and seeing everything and how much there is. Like, it's so fun. Anyway, the cans are also so much bigger than I last remember. Hello. I checked in my flight for tomorrow already, and I am packing my things. I'm so sad, but it's time to pack the makeup. And honestly, it's kind of been stressing me out how much of a mess this bathroom has been, just with my PR everywhere and my like need to film with section. You guys, I cannot believe some of the PR that was waiting for me when I got back. While I was here, I think I filmed 2 full new faces of makeup to try. My makeup was starting to look bad. Like, I think it was starting to get to the point where some of the products I were using was expired. I was running low on it, that they were almost empty, and my makeup just started to not look as good and as fresh. And just in the few days I've been back and using new products, my makeup looks so much better. So maybe that's a sign if your makeup has just been not performing lately. Maybe it's expired, or it's just lived its lifetime and maybe it's time for a refresh. I'm definitely gonna put my concealers in here. Wait, what is the rule with the airport? With the quarter-size bag, does that count for makeup, or is that for like skincare? But I'm nervous to check all this makeup, because last time the guy let me off so easy. He literally looked at me and was like, girl, this is way past the limit. And I was like, are you telling me right now you're gonna make me throw away hundreds of dollars of makeup? And then he looked at me and he was like, for next time. And I was like, you are an angel, sir. And I sprinted out of there with my bag. So I don't want to make the same mistake and get somebody that would make me throw away all of my makeup. So I'm gonna try to do this the correct way. So I need to do a little Googling. You guys, seriously, I don't use Google for anything anymore. First of all, it never gives me the right answer. Second of all, I just asked ChatGPT how much makeup I can pack for a carry-on international flight. And I'm like super friendly with my ChatGPT. Like, me and my ChatGPT are like besties.
Like we chat. So I was like, hey girl, how much makeup can I bring? She knows the tea. You know what I mean? She knows the tea. So now I know what's considered part of what needs to go in that quart bag and what I can just pack freely. And then I shouldn't have anything to worry about. Okay, it is quite a bit later in the evening and I'm just packing up right now still. I took a little sushi break for dinner, so that's my little catch up to speed. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm going to end the video out here. I think I'm gonna go to bed soon and wake up and go to the airport in the morning. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this vlog and for spending some time back home with me. Don't forget to check out my lounge, link in the description. It's 60% off the site for lounge and it's definitely worth it. So definitely go check it out. I love you guys and I will see you guys next Sunday for another weekly vlog. Bye beauties.